This is how to transfer your Honeygain earnings to AirTM. In this video, I'll be taking you through an Honeygain easy payout option that will help you transfer your earnings to either your bank account, your PayPal, any cryptos of your choice, including Bitcoin, Payoneer, Skrill, or any payment option that you desire. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. You will get to know as I publish my videos every week. Thank you for doing this for me. This is the inside of my Honeygain. Currently, you can see that I'm collecting my Honeygain earnings through my JOFA wallet. This JOFA wallet. All the earnings I have here is going directly to my JOFA wallet website. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be cashing out the money I've collected through Honeygain wallet. This Honeygain wallet. I currently have over 20,000 Honeygain credit, which is $20 that I will withdraw to my AirTM right now. For you to withdraw from Honeygain to AirTM, you need to have a crypto wallet of your choice. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using MetaMask and I'll be employing Binance Network Chain for this transaction. Because I'm using Binance Chain, I will need a native token BNB to take the charges. Also, you will need to import JMPT token because Honeygain will only work with JMPT token. The objective is to first of all transfer this $20 to JOFA token. We will now swap. From here, we now transfer from MetaMask wallet. We transfer to my AirTM. You can see that my AirTM is at a zero balance and there's nothing inside my MetaMask. I already set up JMPT token where I'm going to move the money to. For you to learn how to connect your JMPT token inside your crypto wallet, watch this video. This video will take you through how to achieve that. The link will come out here. You can watch it later. The first thing we'll be doing is to move the money from Honeygain wallet to my MetaMask crypto wallet. To do that, you will click request payout. You have an option to withdraw to PayPal. If you choose PayPal, they will charge you 15%. We will not withdraw to PayPal because of these charges. I did a video recently of how I transfer Honeygain to PayPal without these charges. This is the video here. This video will take you through how to do that so that you will not pay that 15% fee. And if you withdraw to JMPT token, it is free. Because we are transferring to AirTM, we will choose this option, JMPT option. So I'm selecting the JMPT option. You click continue. This is why you need to set up JMPT wallet. So you have to go and pick your JMPT wallet address. So you come to this place. If you use MetaMask, this is your wallet address. You just copy your wallet address. It depends on the crypto wallet you are using, but this is my wallet address for this JMPT token. I've copied it already. I will go back to Honeygain, paste it. Ensure you look at the last digit of your wallet to be sure that it is the same so that you not transfer money to another person's wallet. So after that, you click confirm payout. Confirm payout. At this moment, Honeygain will send 6-digit verification code to your email address. That is your Honeygain email address. So you go and pick that up. You can see verification code Honeygain. This is the verification code. You copy it and go back to Honeygain. This is the inside of the Honeygain. Paste the code. You click verify. Look at it. The equivalent of $20 in JMPT will be sent in 2 business days. But in most cases, I will get it instantly. All you need to do is to go back to your crypto wallet. Look at it. The money is there instantly. All you need to do is to click OK. Look at the transaction history. The payout, the money has gone. So you now have the money in your crypto wallet. For you to know how to do this step by step, that is transferring your money from Honeygain to JMPT token using any wallet of your choice. The link of the video will come out here. Watch this video. The next thing you need to do is to swap this to BNB so that you can now transfer BNB to AirTM. You cannot do any transaction inside any wallet without you having money for the charges. That is why we adopt BNB chain, because the charges for BNB is very cheap. So what we are going to do now is to transfer like $2 to your BNB. So I'll do that transfer now. You see the amount here. So we are funding. You can see I've already funded this wallet with BNB token with $2 so that I can take the charges. For you to know how to do transfer from any wallet or exchange to MetaMask, watch this video. I did a video of how to transfer from Binance to MetaMask. That is be able to transfer BNB native token. Let me also show you something that will help you you. This is the inside of my Honeygain. Don't forget that I told you that I'm collecting my earnings through JumpTask wallet. All my earnings, I'm getting additional 10% bonus, but the money is sent directly to my JumpTask wallet. Let me show you. This is the inside of my JumpTask website. You can see I can withdraw at any time. I want to withdraw this amount to join this one, so I can swap everything together. I will withdraw this amount, which is equivalent of $2.48. You click payout. Because I'm using Binance chain, I have to choose this Binance chain. Just select this. You now click payout. Click payout. Look at it. Transfer in progress. Look at it. It has zeroized. If you go back to the wallet, this amount will change. Look at it. It has changed. For you to move this money to BNB so that you can transfer this to AirTM, you click this place. We are moving this money to BNB so that you can transfer to AirTM. You click swap. You select all. We are swapping to BNB. Select BNB. We are moving all this money, transferring to BNB. So you scroll down. The reason why we transfer the money to BNB is to take care of these charges, 0.35 cents. So we click swap. You can see transaction complete. You close. You can see all the money on JMPT token has been zeroized and moved to BNB crypto. For you to know a step-by-step of how to swap JMPT to BNB on MetaMask, the link of the video will come out here. Watch this video. We now have all our money inside BNB. I'll be transferring $23 from this amount to this place, AirTM. To do that, I'm sending $23 here. You click send. You go and pick destination address via AirTM P2P on AirTM platform. You can see this is my AirTM platform. I will click add because I want to add money. Payment methods. I will click crypto. I will click Binance coin. For you to be able to set the exact amount you want to transfer, since I'm transferring $23, this exact amount, you can now return it because I want to send BNB to this platform. So I'm using BNB to collect $23. I will scroll down to click continue. All you just do is to click send. You go to AirTM to collect the crypto address for your peer. You paste it here. You also go back to AirTM to collect the exact amount you want to transfer. In this case, $23. You can see this is the amount I'm sending, equivalent of $23 in BNB. I will copy it. You go back to your wallet. You paste it. You scroll down. This is the charges. You click continue. You confirm it is going pending. You can see transaction complete. So you quickly go back to your done. You click confirm sent. The funds have been sent. You can see my balance has been reduced. You can see the amount is sent. You can see the money has been received. So you can see now all my money from Honeygain plus the little money I have inside my JumpTask, all has been transferred to MetaMask, from MetaMask to my AirTM. So all the funds are now inside AirTM. For you to know how to do this step by step, watch this video. It's going to take you a real demo of how to transfer from any crypto wallet to AirTM. The link of the video will come out here. Watch that video. You can now transfer this money from AirTM to either your bank, PayPal, Payoneer, or Scree. You click withdraw. You have over 500 available payment methods that you can use. You can transfer to bank. All the banks in the whole world are here, including the bank in your country. For instance, if I'm to use Nigeria, I type in Nigeria. I can transfer to my local bank account in Nigeria, and I can transfer to my dollar account in Nigeria. For you to learn a step-by-step process of how to transfer your money, watch this video. This video will take you through how to transfer from AirTM to any bank in any country. The link of the video will show up here. For you to transfer to PayPal, you just search for PayPal. If you are transferring less than $15, you click here. If you are transferring $15 and above, you click here. Look at the charges. Instead of you paying 15% charges, you only be charged 2% charges on AirTM, and you will have saved a lot of money. I did a video of how to transfer from AirTM to PayPal step by step. Use this link to watch the video later. If it is your objective to transfer to Payoneer, you just key in Payoneer and follow the step. You can transfer to Payoneer. You can transfer Payoneer Euro, Payoneer Pakistani account, Payoneer USD account, and these are the rates. If you want to transfer to Scree, you type Scree and you can see Scree, and this is the rate you'll be charged. If you want to transfer to Payoneer, you type it, look at it, and you follow the step. So this is how to transfer your money from Honeygain to AirTM. Do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. What do you think? You can now transfer your Honeygain to either your bank account, PayPal, Payoneer, Scree, or any cryptos of your choice. It is so simple and straightforward. Why I love AirTM is that as you keep using this platform, you'll be getting commissions, and there are so many ways you can get free USDC stable coin, which is equivalent to dollars. Ensure you watch this video. You can watch it later. That video will take you through how to get free USDC on AirTM platform. Don't forget to sign up using my AirTM link. When you do that, AirTM is going to give you a free $3 sign-up bonus. Ensure you do that. Another thing that is free that you need to do right now is for you to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. You also need to watch the next video. You'll be able to learn how to use AirTM to your advantage. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.